How to share YouTube video links on Instagram Story. Open YouTube and go to your homepage or your channel. Navigate to the video you want to share. Tap the three dots next to the video title. Select Share and then Copy Link. Exit YouTube and open the Instagram app. At the top, tap the plus sign to add to your story. Take a picture by tapping the camera icon or choose a picture from the gallery. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Search for and select the link sticker. Paste the copied YouTube video link into the URL field and tap Done. Then, you can choose different colors for the link. After that, adjust the place of your video link. Add some text like New Post or a brief description of the video. Use GIFs or emojis, such as the YouTube logo, to make the story more engaging. Adjust the size and position of the text and stickers to your liking. Once you create your story as you want, tap Next, and then Share to post the story to your profile. Switch to a different Instagram profile to check that the link works correctly. Ensure that clicking the link in the story takes viewers directly to the YouTube video. And that's it.